Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to log in to battle.net application using your mobile device. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and download the battle.net application. Once you download it, tap on the app to open it up. In the first welcome screen, you can go ahead and log into your existing account. Simply tap on login. Now click the continue button to end up in battle.net website so that you can sign into your account. Here, you'll need to type in your email or phone number associated with your account, followed by your account's password. You can also log into battle.net with Google account, Facebook account, or other accounts displayed at the top of the screen. I'm just gonna type in email and password option, so let's do it. Type in your email or phone number for your battle.net account in the first field. On the next, enter your password correctly. If you don't remember the password, click on Can't Log In and follow through the instructions. Finally, after typing down your credential, click Login. And there you have successfully logged in to battle.net account using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.